meet the chemistry value, then I mean instantly decided, because when I done the detail, oh my God, this is. So when I got the first job, I never got into the detail. At the time, it was more a compulsion for me, because I pursuing in IIS, and then I don't have that. I didn't do MBA or anything. I did MCOM, so you won't get jobs at the time. So I got into the job, and then went into the construction line. Then biggest pride was not to pursue to recover the monies. Think positively to make that kind of money.
I know you're quite a spiritual minded person. Now, how much of meditation has made an impact in your life?
One is, we do meditation as a process. But if I look at from my childhood days and all, suppose going to the school, 2 kilometers walking, and then while coming back from the school, it is dark, you cannot see the roads, but you're just walking. You will have sometimes snakes over there, you just walk. So you are surrendering to your thought. So, or else going to Delhi, or when we had this Mark Securities collapse, and then wanted to again come back, deciding to do this construction business, or doing works in Tadipatri, again a very challenging moment, where we had the very tough area, Naxal areas. I've been kidnapped 3 times by the Naxal areas. So at the time, up to that period, I didn't know any meditation. I didn't know much about the spirituality. Only last 6 to 7 years, then I was reading the magnet, get your magnet right, or surrender to the existence, or have faith in whatever you do. How intensely you should maintain the relationships. You should not have perceptions in judgment or misjudgments. All that is coming to me as a science. But in the childhood of that science, when I understand this and then I link that, it's actually, that's what I said in the beginning, when the people from rural areas have that meditative as their way of life. So meditation is nothing but you have to surrender to unknown and act. As a farmer, I think he's surrendering to unknown. When he gets a seed and plants a seed and puts the water, put the fertilizers, what is that the crop is going to get? Bad weather comes, everything goes away. Even still, he tries to recover something, whatever is possible. I think that's so now when we realize all that and look at how the life was there, and now when I see it, yes, now we are doing it in more as a process. So now it really makes a lot of difference in meditation.
We'd like to take a peek into your daily life. Now, what's the daily pattern of Mr. GRK's life? Walk us through that. See,
I sleep 4 hours in a day, and I do meditation morning and evening, about minimum 25 minutes and 25 to 30 minutes morning and evening. And then do a lot of exercises, about half an hour on the treadmill or swimming. Then go to the sites or spend time with the children and the family. And normally I'm in the office by 9 o'clock, 8:30 to 9 I am there. And evening by 8:30, 9 I'll some other meeting. 8:30 to 9 I'll go home. And weekends generally at home.
You were talking about the 3 facets of energies that drives a person. Throw us a little light into that.
See, we have See, in a body system, you have three energies. You have one is the psychic energy, the physical energy, and cosmic energy.
Psychic, physical, and cosmic.
Cosmic energy. Physical energy is what when you eat something that gives you physical energy. If you eat more, it drains your energy.
It drains your energy.
Yeah, eat more. People who eat more, they will not have high energies. Eat less will have more energy. And the psychic energy is the energy where you get out of your regular exercises and all. The chakras, when you unlock the chakras within the body, you get that psychic energy. Yoga practices and all, or pranayama you do. These energies get activated, you will get that psychic energy. That's what when you do a marathon, after say 7 kilometers or 8 kilometers, you get into the rhythm. When you get into rhythm, the energy comes from within the psychic energy. And then in meditation, you will get the cosmic energy. So that's where the people who do regular yoga and have a regular diet of what is to be required for a body, only you eat that. And then do the meditation. Science says that 2 hours 28 minutes is enough for the sleep. When you practice this, full day you will be in a high energy because you will not be disturbed. You will not get into a negative emotions. Negative emotions draw your energy. So this is the real factor for anybody to work in a more enthusiastic way.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.